American-made solar solutions. Solar Power Perfect by Satic was just voted the industry's top adder for 2023. This industry leader was recently proven to increase solar system total efficiency and peak performance by harmonizing all grid and inverter current, therefore virtually eliminating unusable dirty electricity as well as all harmful EMF radiation. Adding Power Perfect guarantees that you'll land more deals because your system now has superior peak and total performance and therefore a shorter payback. You retain more deals because the system installs now, giving you a fully engaged customer who's already saving money while protecting their home and family from the harmful effects of EMFs, potential EMPs, and surges. Satic's award-winning technology has been rigorously tested and third-party validated by the country's leading labs, building biologists, medical researchers, as well as academics. UL listed, it can be installed quickly and easily, indoors or out, usually requiring neither permit nor inspection. While sales teams love having a clear competitive advantage, customers love its long warranty. It's American-made, that it has over 100,000 units already serving satisfied customers with raving 5-star reviews.